Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to properly buy stocks on Revolut. Buying stocks can seem intimidating, but with the right knowledge, it can be a straightforward process. First, you need to download and install the Revolut app. Then create an account if you do not already have one. Once you have the app and an account, navigate to the Investments section. To start investing, you need to add money to your Revolut account. You can do this by linking your bank account or credit card to the app. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account before proceeding. Next, you need to understand the different types of stocks available on Revolut. The app offers a range of stocks from well-known companies such as Apple, Amazon, and Google. You can browse through the available stocks and choose the ones that align with your investment goals. When buying stocks, it is essential to consider the fees associated with the transaction. Revolut charges a small commission fee for each trade, and this fee will be deducted from your account balance. To place an order, select the stock you want to buy and enter the amount you want to invest. You can choose to invest a fixed amount of money or a specific number of shares. Review your order carefully before confirming, as you cannot cancel a trade once it has been executed. It is also important to set a budget and stick to it. Investing in the stock market involves risks, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. Start with a small amount and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable with the process. Another crucial aspect of buying stocks is understanding the concept of diversification. This involves spreading your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. You can diversify your portfolio by investing in a range of stocks from different industries. Finally, it is essential to monitor your investments regularly and adjust your portfolio as needed. Keep track of market trends and be prepared to sell your stocks if they are not performing well. By following these steps and tips, you can start buying stocks on Revolut with confidence. Remember to always do your research, set a budget, and diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. With time and practice, you can become a successful investor and achieve your financial goals.